Good day, everybody. Jason with MarineMax Clearwater, and you can see a bunch of Boston whalers behind me, but today I have the honor of showing you this awesome model here, the 230 Vantage from Boston Whaler, one of the more successful brands I've had the privilege to deal with here at MarineMax Clearwater. Everybody loves this boat. It truly checks all the boxes, all while still keeping that safety factor whalers famous for, the true unsinkability, the level flotation, the unibond construction. This boat's manufactured like no other boats on the market today. So come on, take it back, come on to the back of the boat with me. You'll see here we did a white hull with the stainless steel rub rail. That's an upgrade. And I love these standoff chrome graphics. Those were first done on the 420 Outrage, and we've duplicated it down to the smaller boats. Really exciting to be paired with the new V8 300 Mercury Verado engine. These engines are incredible, and the stats we're seeing from them on all the models across the whaler line have improved with these new V8 engines. Absolutely excited to see this model run with this engine. So why don't you step up into the boat and we'll show you some more. Now that we've stepped into the 230 Vantage, I'll show you some of the exciting features that have made this boat really popular. One is the Sas Bench Seat here, or the Vantage seat. You'll see it absolutely large enough to hold 3-4 adults. But as we push this boat away, it seamlessly folds out. And what's really nice about this is it continues your bolster through the back of the boat. You do have tow rails down here in the cockpit, so if you get something really big on the other end of your fishing line, you can stay anchored to the sole of the boat. You also have a raw water washdown sitting in our in the aft corner of the boat here. Your battery switch will be behind our entry door, and again, tow rail here on the starboard side. Really nice bait prep station here, cutting board hiding underneath, and that'll fit seamlessly in here as well so that you can get things cut up and everything else. Pull-out sprayer. We'll have 1, 2, 3 pull-out sprayers on this boat, fresh water. Everybody knows Yeti coolers. You'll see the Yeti cooler under our bait prep station here as well. As you step midship on the 230 Vantage, we have aft and forward face seating, but we know that this seat does a whole lot more than that. We have 4 different adjustments we can lay on this seat, or the 5th being all the way down to make a reverse face lounger. It's really nice that they've padded the head door to give you that extra cushion setup. But we can also set this up to face forward as well. So while the boat's underway, we have a really nice lounger facing forward. You can fit 2 adults. Kiddos on there will fit no problem as well. Here you'll have an 18-gallon live well under the seat to complete our fishing package in this boat, along with the rod holders on the transom. This became popular halfway through the model existence of this boat. The big hard top that we know comes on the 27 is now really popular on the 23. People want to see the boat brought in. You'll keep 4 total rocket launchers, port and starboard side. And then, of course, we can mount equipment on top of this if we want, spotlights, radar, things of that nature. So as you move forward here, I'll get this seat put up. We have a really nice head compartment here. It's going to be a pump out head, and actually found a 4th freshwater sprayer. So you have 4 freshwater sprayers if you include the pull-out nozzle in the bathroom. Really nice laid out helm here. You'll see Whaler doesn't overbuild the helm stations for you. Your eyes go exactly where you need. Engine tacks. Your this new Axiom screen is awesome. You can see all the digital graphics and everything else. The processors on those are extremely quick. Blue and white LEDs on this boat, guys, come standard. You'll get the blue in the hard top, blue and white in the gunnel walls as well. And then as you step forward, you might notice, or might not, the walkthrough on this boat is offset to the starboard side of the boat, making everything down the port side bigger, from your port side lounger to the head compartment to the bow seat. So everything is a little bit bigger on the port side of the boat, and you'll see that these loungers are awesome. There's a subtle angle to them so that the skipper can see past the companion sitting in the bow, and you'll have all of your technology, chargers and ports up here for the kids to use, and JL audio speakers and everything else. So again, the 230 Vantage, an exciting model for our market, 17-inch draft in our shallow market. Checks every box. Fish it, day boat it, island hop, restaurants, water sports, it'll do it all. If you want to come and see this boat in person, give us a call. 509-869-8306. Jason with MarineMax. Have a great day.